here's the important bit. What's he well, oh, can I see what I'm doing? Hang on. That's probably, hang on, till we just get that. Hello everybody. So as you can see from the first shot there, we're back in the shed. The shed at home. And took Silty out for a drive this morning. It's pretty good. Went to Cars Inc. for breakfast. Took some video while we were there. Got back and found out that it had been corrupted. So nothing to show for this morning's little wee trip. However, did meet a guy there who had a V8 trike 454 on it, all the way from Carterton. Had a good chat with him. Anyway, during the week, said little Silty over here got some mail after I'd reminded Anthony that where are my parts? Oh, he says yes. So this little package arrived. Not very big, not very heavy. So you know what happens now, don't you? We've got to open up and see what's inside it. And of course they're all for Silty. Just loves it, eh? Just keeps spending money on them. So I've got my scissors and we'll just take the end off the packet like that. Oh, here's the important bit. What's he doing? One, two, three. Well, you have to sometimes wonder. You know, there should be 4 bushes, and it says 4 engine mount bushes. 1, 2, 3. 1 to follow. And 2 distributor clips. Yes, I need those. Well, that's I wouldn't say it was really annoying, but one might have wanted to do the rear engine mount on said car, because it's not really a big job, I don't think. Well, it's not. And I was getting myself all mentally prepared to do that, and now I'm not sure. I hate it when I'm not sure. But cars go good. Started making some gin this morning in there. So that's just waiting for another hour. And then we can turn that on and distill some nice gin. I'm not making any raw alcohol today because we've got plenty in stock under there. So I guess what I could do is, if you just, I think it's over there, just wait there one moment. I knew I had it over there. So this is that, and I can't really remember how it goes, but I guess we could open this. Oh. And so you see these two little bits here, see this bit and this bit are supposed to be, I don't know, joined somehow, and it's supposed to look like that bit. See that bit there? So that goes on the distributor, hold the cap on, and I suppose we could put them on or not. I'm not sure now, because I was going to do this job with that job, which is, if we have a look, which is this job. So there's a bush there, a bush there, a bush there and a bush there. And while I was doing that job, we were going to do this job over here. So if we move you over here slightly, and I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, hang on, if I take you off there, you can see some of my doodacky stuff. So there, if you can see that bit of that thing there, that bit of wire, that's where the clip's supposed to go. And because it broke and I wanted to drive the car, we made that, which seems to have worked quite well. And I was quite happy with that. Oh, get finger out of the camera shot. Camera back on the... Go. So yeah, as I said, I'm not too sure about what I'm going to do now, because I was all set to do that job. But I mean, I haven't got any tools out or anything, but it would have been nice if he'd said to me, oh, there's only 3 in there and the other one will turn up this week. But I got no idea, so I don't want to pull it apart, because then I can't use them. Oh, what to do? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, duty fingerprint. So, what else can I do this afternoon? I could go inside and read a book for an hour, I suppose, before I come back out here and make some gin. Yeah, we might do that. Oh no, I can do that. I've been doing stuff with Sandfly Alley, which is the racetrack. So I might just do that. And when I've got the other bits, we'll do those bits in there. So I guess until then, we'll see you later.